Hi, I'm Brandon, CEO at Ichi, and today we're going to discuss how Ichi can help you with your files and construction documents. Ichi supports a number of document types today, including PDFs, images, Word docs, Excel, tables, and more. And it can be used for a number of different purposes, whether it's to search within large files, help you cross-reference against multiple files to see that information is consistent, and much more. So let's jump in and show you how it works. What you'll see in Ichi is there's a number of ways to add files in. You can click here to open up your Finder menu, or if you have the files already to go, just drag and drop them in. In this case, I dropped in 15 different files, and all I have to do is let them upload, send in a prompt to Ichi, and it will immediately begin to process them and start a new project for me. The processing process only takes a few minutes, and it only has to be done or completed once for each file that you add into the system. To help show you what this looks like, let's jump to a project where I already have these same files processed. What you'll see is in the file menu of Ichi, there's going to be files will automatically be organized by plans, calculations, reports, specs, letters, photographs, and more. And to show you what Ichi can do with these files, I have this prompt here where I'm going to ask Ichi to review the plans, the specs, and other information to ensure that there's consistency of the water heater. Now, this is a really helpful example of what you can use Ichi for. To show you a couple of other examples while Ichi is doing this analysis, this prompt here is a reconciliation where I'm actually asking Ichi to compare a comment letter and multiple response letters for me. Furthermore, you can ask Ichi to do completeness checks. So, and I'm asking Ichi to, in this prompt here, perform a document completeness check, check every document for me, and giving it a list of documents to look at. Now, let's take a look at this response that's come in from Ichi around this comparison. What we'll see here is that the water heater is actually not consistent or compliant across these different documents. And so what it's flagging for me is the efficiency that it found in the plan set from the energy portion of the plan set is 0.94 UEF, comparing that to the energy report, which is consistent but different than what it found in the specs. Or the model numbers that it found in the plan set are not the same models that are listed in the specs as well. And similar to the codes, what you'll see are citations in Ichi, which are going to take you directly into the files. And this could be used for documents that are a few pages long, or even plan sets that are hundreds of pages or specs that are thousands of pages long. And this is where Ichi navigated me directly, not just to the sheet and the plans itself, but the specific detail where it got this information. Now, we can look at other pieces of information as well. So the energy report, the plan set, and this is critical because a key challenge that people have with AI is how do they trust it? And with Ichi, we really look for the person to be the final decision maker on whatever analysis or review that they're doing. And where Ichi can be extremely powerful is it identified that there's these two model numbers here, and to take you exactly to those details in seconds, be able to navigate to them, validate them, and therefore to be able to trust them in your work. And also, if you're looking for that full screen experience, just click up here and you'll be able to use the full file navigator on your document and easily navigate from one document to another so that you can complete your review, your design, or whatever it is that you're working on. So this covers the basics of how to use Ichi for files, and looking forward to seeing what you do with them in the application as well. See you in the next one.